In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print packing slips for a Shopify order. Packing slips are the documents you include inside your packages so your customers can see exactly what's in their shipment. They're especially helpful for double-checking items while you pack, and for customers who might need a simple record of what they received. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to generate and print a packing slip for a specific order directly from your Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin home screen, where you can see an overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different sections. We'll be working from here. From the left-hand side menu, click on Orders. This opens up your full list of orders, including open, fulfilled, and archived ones. If you have a lot of orders, you can use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly find the one you're looking for by customer name, order number, or status. Once you've found the specific order you want a packing slip for, click on that order to open its details page. Here you'll see everything related to that order: customer information, shipping address, line items, payment status, and fulfillment details. This is also where Shopify gives you tools to manage documents like invoices and packing slips. On this order page, look for the print option. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a button near the top right of the order, or sometimes within a drop-down menu labeled More Actions. Click on Print to see the available print options for that order. From the options that appear, choose Print Packing Slips. Shopify will then generate a packing slip layout based on your store's default template. You'll see a preview with the order number, customer details, and a list of items in the order, usually including quantities and variants. In the preview window that opens, look towards the top right for the print icon, which typically looks like a small printer next to the download icon. Click on that print icon to open your browser's print dialog. In this print dialog, you can choose your printer, adjust settings like pages, color, and orientation, and importantly, you can also choose to save it as a PDF instead of printing immediately. Select the Save or Save as PDF option, choose a location on your device, and click Save. Once it's downloaded, you can open that file and print it from your computer whenever you're ready, or keep it for your records. And that's all you need to do to print packages.